Welcome to BW Business World. I have few questions for you. How AI is reshaping the pharma industry and how engineers can plug into this world of pharmaceuticals?
All right. Thank you for your question. To start with, I am representing pharma industry here. I am a doctor by training, and I have been working with pharma industry for more than 20 years. And over span of 20 years of my career, I have come to know that pharma uh, can diagnose a new medicine. We can give new medicines, but how it reaches to the patients, it's via engineers only. They only can help us. So to understand how AI is reshaping pharma industry, we need to understand the whole life cycle of a drug, how it reaches from lab to patient. We can divide pharma industry into three segments. There are 3 Ds. 1D is discovery, how the molecule is developed, then how it is discovered, then how it is developed, then how it is delivered to the patients. Number one is discovery. Before AI, scientists would sit in the lab and discover the molecule, which would take around 5 to 7 years. But after the advent of the AI, the task has become very fast. With algorithms, the task can be done within weeks. And who is writing that algorithm? Engineers are writing those algorithms. I'll give you one example. Like recently, Stanford engineers, they had come up with a prototype of smart toilet which can detect disease biomarkers from stools and urine. So this is actual live diagnostics in your washroom. And one more thing, funny thing is that it has a camera also, which can diagnose the user, like who is using it and who's got the disease. So now we'll come to the develop phase. We have discovered the molecule, now we need to develop. Before AI, long clinical trials were required. But now with the advent of AI, simulations of clinical trials can be done. And who is doing those simulations? Engineers are doing the simulations. And they have also come up with the drone delivery systems, right? Blood can be transported wherever needed to the remote areas. So who is doing that? Engineers are doing that. So, and now we come to deliver. Now we have medicine, but it needs to be delivered to the patients. How it is delivered? For example, vaccines. Before AI, vaccines were delivered, but there is some temperature variation. Vaccine would get spoiled. But now, engineers have developed smart fridges, which would sense the temperature and sends text to the engineer, fix me, right? So engineers are contributing in a big way with the help of AI in pharma. So I am reiterating, pharma can come up with medicines, but we need engineers to deliver to the patients. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks.